Using the most recent version of Genetec 5.12.1, we're going to show you how to trigger alarms and alerts when using our unique PERCEPT body-worn camera. First off, we're going to go into the alarms configuration of the Genetec config tool. Let's click the Add Alarm button at the bottom left and name the alarm according to its trigger. Click on Recipients in the Relationships sections and add the Administrators group to this alarm. I'll add an action and define what we want. In this case, when the alarm is triggered, we want it to play an audible alert. We have to add the administrators group here as well. Then we'll choose which sound we want. I'll go with the standard alert here. You can test the alarm and save it. The last step is in the second tab, the Properties tab. You'll see that the administrators group is already defined from our previous step, but we have to add our body-worn camera to the attached entities. I'll then go ahead and save that as well. Now that the alarm is created, let's go create the condition which will actually trigger it, the pressing of the front-facing panic or F5 button on our PERCEPT body-worn camera. For this, we'll head to the Automation Manager in Genetec Security Center and click on the Actions tab. You'll notice that the alarm previously created is listed here, but we want to trigger it automatically on the F5 button press. So let's click the Add an Item button at the bottom left of the window. The iNode's PERCEPT OnVIF body-worn has multiple buttons you can choose within Genetec Security Center. Let's configure the trigger based on input button state change and identify which specific camera and its input we want to monitor for that state change. Next, we want to confirm we will trigger an alarm and then choose a previously created body-worn camera panic F5 button alarm. Now, let's see the end result of this from within the Genetec Security Desk client. When an operator is monitoring multiple cameras at any given time, if the panic or F5 button is pressed on our body-worn camera by the wearer, the Security Desk client will then throw an audible alarm as well as automatically start a live feed within the Alarm Manager tab of the software. Let's add another step to our body-worn camera action. As you know, iNode secure display stations also have a full integration within Genetec Security Center. The display output of any given tile can be managed directly from within the Security Center client. So in addition to displaying a live view in the Alarm Manager, let's have Genetec Security Center also automatically change a display on our SDS simultaneously. For this, we'll head back to the Automations Manager in the Actions tab. We'll simply add another action based on the alarm being triggered. We'll define this action as displaying a camera on an analog monitor used by our secure display station integration. I'll define our body-worn camera live stream as well as the analog monitor or tile it is to be displayed on, and save this new action. Finally, let's retest the whole scenario. Now, when the panic or F5 button is pressed on our body-worn camera, two things happen. We'll still trigger that alarm in the Alarm Manager and start a live stream of the body-worn camera, but as you can see on the web preview of our secure display station, we are also automatically populating one of our video tiles with our live body camera stream. Don't hesitate in contacting iNode for questions concerning this integration or any other questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos and product information.